Imagine when you're feeling unwell, seeking medical help, only to be told that all test reports are normal. The doctor claims there is no illness, leaving you in discomfort with no clear solution. And now you're facing a dilemma. Either follow the doctor's advice, pretending all is well, or risk being referred to a psychiatric specialist. Have you ever found yourself in such a situation?
Welcome to Eat, Play, Heal with Yoki.
People visit doctors when they sense something abnormal or uncomfortable in their bodies. But what defines a normal body or whether you're healthy? Traditional Chinese medicine practitioners and Western medicine have vastly different concepts of being healthy. Western medicine relies on data. If the numbers fall within a reasonable range, you are considered healthy. TCM, however, emphasizes balance. The first episode of this series talked about emotions and organs balance. When imbalance occurs, even before Western medicine recognizes it as a problem, TCM principles suggest starting the healing process already. It focuses on preventing diseases during health and intervening at early signs to prevent major illnesses. This is why TCM's principles can be seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, reducing dependence on doctors. The Yellow Emperor's Inner Canon discusses 4 pairs of balances. The most famous yin and yang, exterior and interior, deficiency and excess, and cold and heat. These 8 principles form the foundation of TCM diagnostics. There is a well-known story about the renowned TCM healer Hua Tuo and his method of personalized treatment. One day, both A and B came to Hua Tuo for medical advice, sharing a common complaint of headaches and fever. After examining their pulses, Dr. Hua Tuo prescribed a laxative for A and diaphoretics for B. Perplexed, the 2 patients exchanged glances and questioned. Our symptoms are the same, and our illnesses seem identical. Why, then, are we given different medicines? With a wise smile, Dr. Hua Tuo explained, "What you share is merely the outward appearance of the illness. But A's condition arises from excessive eating, an internal issue. Therefore, he needs a purgative to eliminate stagnation and cure the ailment. As for B, the illness is caused by exposure to cold and catching a cold externally. Hence, he should take medicine to release the surface, letting the wind-cold pathogen dissipate with sweat, and thus relieving the headache. Your illnesses have different roots, and accordingly, I prescribe different medicines based on your specific conditions." Impressed by his explanation, both A and B returned home, followed the prescribed treatment, and before long, their ailments were completely cured. In traditional Chinese medicine, there's a strong emphasis on the principles of 辩证论治, which translates to diagnosing and treating according to the individual pattern. Even if the symptoms appear similar, TCM recognizes that the underlying causes of the illness can vary, leading to different treatment methods. In simple terms, imagine your body is like a complex puzzle, and when you're not feeling well, it is as if there's a mystery to solve. And in TCM, the 8 principles diagnosis is like a detective's toolkit for solving this health mystery. And here are the 8 principles. First pair, yin and yang. Think of this as the balance between opposing forces. Just like in a mystery where there's a balance between good and evil or light and darkness, your body also has a balance between yin, the cool and passive energy, and yang, the warm and active energies. The second pair, the exterior and interior. In our health mystery, you need to figure out if the problem is happening on the surface, the exterior, or deep within your body, the interior. Is it like a mystery taking place in your neighborhood, or is it more secretive and hidden? The third pair, deficiency and excess. Imagine your body's resources like detective strengths. Are you lacking something, which is the deficiency, or dealing with an excess? It is like figuring out if you have too few clues or too much evidence to sort through. Last but not least, cold and heat. Sometimes your body can feel too cold or too hot. It's like figuring out if the mystery is set in a frozen tundra or scorching desert. TCM helps determine if your issue is due to cold or heat. The detective, which is the TCM practitioner in our health mystery, examines all these elements before they give you the diagnosis and the treatment accordingly. These 8 principles is the essence of traditional Chinese medicine. TCM's challenge in becoming mainstream lies in its need for an individualized prescription for each patient and the difficulty of standardizing treatment plans. Yet, it aligns closely with our nuanced needs due to its profound focus on the individual. It is precisely because each of us, at every moment, may experience different situations influenced by these 8 factors, leading to varied causes, symptoms, and methods of treatment. But who can understand our situation at every moment? It's undoubtedly ourselves. So, if we all understand some basic principles of TCM and apply them to our everyday lives, it can certainly help us lead healthier and happier lives. And this approach can contribute to reducing and lessening our dependence on doctors and medications. So why not embrace this knowledge and take proactive steps toward a well-balanced and joyful life? Join me as we learn how to apply the principles of TCM to our everyday lives and live a happier, healthier life. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.